धन्यवाद.
Daniela. I'm sorry.
Dhanyala.
Daniela.
No. You said Dhanyala, but it's.
आपसे कुछ
आपसे मिल. आपका दिन
आपका दिन
कैसा था?
कैसा था?
Yeah. क्या मुझे तुम इस बारे में मदद कर सकते हो?
Oh my god, guys, no, next. That one is too much.
Whoa, yeah.
That one is too much.
Yeah.
Hey, what's going on, my beautiful people? It's your boy Kelly, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So today, guys, we have a banger, guys, and you guys have seen the title. I'm going to be learning Hindi with my close Indian friend, guys. And guys, I do not know any Hindi word, so today is gonna be amazing, guys. So my challenge for today is that I'm supposed to hold a 2-minute conversation with her, guys, in completely Hindi. Only Hindi, guys, and not English. So will I manage? Well, watch till the end to find out. Anyways, guys, I'm from texting her and she's about to come to my hostel, guys, and then we're just gonna go chill. And guys, yeah, we're just going to vibe. You guys asked me to learn Hindi, so I'm doing this for you guys. So please support me, guys. Like this video and make sure this video reaches at least 1k likes, guys. At least 1k likes. I know you can do it for me. Anyways, let's get into it. Alright, guys, so here I have a list of the words I want her to teach me in Hindi. And guys, I'm so excited. And remember, the challenge is I have to be able to hold a 2-minute conversation with her by the end of today, guys. And the question is, will I manage to hold it? Well, we have to watch till the end to find out. Anyways, guys, I've texted her. She is on her way. She's so close. And yeah, guys, let's go. Hey guys, so I'm here with
Hello guys, I'm Bhakti.
Yes.
I'm a law student and his dear friend. And my YouTube channel name is Illegal Lifestyle. Please follow, guys. Okay.
Yes, sir. Anyways, guys, please follow her. So we're going to be doing something very nice. She doesn't know about it. I won't surprise her. But you guys already know. I already told you. Anyways, I want to get. Yeah, so we're walking now. We're going to get some snacks, and yeah, then we go somewhere and sit.
Yeah.
Then we just vlog. You see, you guys wanted me to show you my Indian friends.
Something surprise he's saying. I'm so excited for that. What is that?
Exactly. So you guys wanted me to show you my Indian friends, and I've done it for you guys. So make sure you subscribe, like the video.
I recently started my YouTube channel, so please support, guys.
Yes, sir. Okay, let's go. Let's walk. So she's telling me her idea is nice, and I also like it though. I like it. Anyways, guys, I think it's time to tell her what you're doing today, guys. So we have our snacks ready. We're going to just have a vlog. So my Indian family wanted to know my Indian friends, and guys, she has already introduced herself. So basically what you're doing today, guys, she's going to just teach me Hindi.
Oh my god.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So I'm just going to learn some Hindi words. You know, my Indian audience was telling me like, oh Kelly, you should learn Hindi, you should do this and this. So I'm like, you know what?
Oh really?
Yeah, let me use this chance since I have a pretty Indian friend. She can teach me Hindi, and yeah.
Okay.
So
I'll
basically
teach
the
you.
vlog
What do you wanna learn first of all?
Good question. So guys, initially I told you I had a list of things I wanted to learn, and the challenge for me, by the way, this is the list of things I wanted to learn. Yeah, and I have a list of what I wanted to learn, guys. Remember, our challenge is at the end of the video I have to be able to hold a 2-minute conversation with you in only Hindi.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a surprise, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a surprise, guys.
Yeah, exactly. So at the end of the video, we're just speaking completely Hindi. Yeah. Shall I manage?
Okay.
Shall I
Yeah.
manage? Do you think I'll manage?
You can manage.
You think I can?
Yeah, you can manage.
Okay. Alright, let's go.
Other languages like in Andhra Pradesh, in Vizag, guys, mostly people speak Telugu.
Okay.
Which is a bit very hard actually.
Yeah, but Hindi is easier according to you.
Yeah, you can handle Hindi, guys.
Okay. Alright, guys, will I handle? Let's see. So the first word I want to learn, actually first phrases I want to learn are the obvious ones. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yeah.
Good morning, good afternoon.
How do I say good morning in Hindi?
So in Hindi, mostly if we informal way to greet in Hindi is to say namaste.
That's Hindi?
Yeah.
Namaste.
Yeah, namaste.
Okay.
Say namaste like this.
Namaste.
Yeah.
Namaste, my Indian family. Yeah, okay.
Namaste.
Okay.
Or else you can say Suprabhat.
Suprabhat. Oh, namaste.
Yeah. Suprabhat.
Suprabhat.
Yeah.
Okay. Have I pronounced it well?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's perfect.
Alright.
Huh.
Then our next is good afternoon.
For good afternoon, people don't say actually, but actually for good afternoon it is like Shubh Dopahar.
Oh, Shubh Dopahar.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So
Shubh is common word for good. Yeah.
Oh,
Shubh
okay.
Dopahar. But mostly people say like hello, hi, or namaste again.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah.
Okay. Okay.
or good evening.
Yeah, I don't think I need that.
Uh,
The most important two are good morning,
guys,
guys.
yeah.
Good morning and good afternoon. So,
Yeah.
good morning is Suprabhat.
Suprabhat.
Guys, this I'm getting it.
Suprabhat.
Suprabhat. Okay. And then good
It's
evening.
like pure Hindi.
Okay, pure
Yeah.
Hindi. Suprabhat. Alright, got it.
Yeah.
Guys, our next word is how was your day?
How was your day? आपका दिन कैसा था? Say.
Up what? आपका दिन से
आपका दिन
आपका दिन
कैसा था?
कैसा था?
था.
कैसा था?
Yeah.
आपका दिन कैसा था?
Yeah.
Guys,
Nice,
subscribe,
you got
guys.
it.
You guys have to like this video.
He's
like,
good learner, by
yeah,
the way.
Thank you. आपका दिन कैसा था?
Yeah. आपका
Really?
दिन कैसा था?
Guys, one try only. I need you one try.
Okay.
But you're nice. You're looking nice. No worries. Anyways, our next word is it's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you is you can say आपसे मिलके मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई.
You said you want to say for me earlier.
Oh yeah, आपसे मिलके खुशी हुई.
आपसे मिलके खुशी हुई.
Yeah,
Really?
perfect.
Guys,
Good Lana.
आपसे खुशी
आपसे मिलके
आपसे मिलके
खुशी हुई.
Oh, I've got it, guys. आपसे
Yeah.
मिलके खुशी हुई.
Yeah, perfect.
Sir, okay,
Yeah.
okay. I think
Okay.
I think I like one more. Like easy for me to say. आपसे
आपसे मिलके.
मिलके खुशी हुई.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yep.
Okay, our next word is
Next
thank you.
word.
Thank you so much. Like thank you.
आपका शुक्रिया. शुक्रिया is actually Urdu word.
Shukri.
Shukriya is
shukriya.
actually Urdu word, but in proper Hindi you should say धन्यवाद.
Daniela. I'm sorry.
Dhanyala.
Daniela.
No. You said Dhanyala, but it's
What does that mean? You don't mean to say Daniela.
yeah. Dhanyavad.
Daniel Hard.
Yeah. Dhanyala means bring coriander.
Oh, okay. So when I said Daniel Hard, that's thank you.
Dhanyavad.
Daniel Hard. Okay, one more time.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, I want to tell back to thank you. I will tell her Dhanyavad. Dhanyavad, yeah.
Yeah.
I got it, guys. I got it.
Perfect. But it's funny.
Yeah,
I'm enjoying this.
Dhanyavad, really? Okay. Next is how much is, for example, this.
How much is it? ये कितने का है?
ये कितने का है?
ये कितने का है?
ये कितने का है?
Yeah, perfect.
Oh my god, guys. So let me see you're still in
Yeah,
this,
yeah.
right? I'm coming. ये कितने का है?
1 crore.
Guys, I got that so easily. Anyways, next
Yeah.
ये कितने का है, right? That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Then our next is, could you please help me? Like, you want to
Could you
tell me
please
something?
help? क्या मुझे तुम इस बारे में मदद कर सकते हो?
Oh my god, guys, no, next. That one is too much.
Oh, yeah.
That one is too much.
Yeah.
But-
Or else I can shorten it. You can
Yeah.
say क्या मुझे तुम मदद कर सकते हो?
Nah.
Okay, skip. Next.
Next, guys, I'll
It
learn
was
this
a
next
bit
time.
hard for you.
Yeah. What's your name?
अच्छा, आपका नाम क्या है?
आपका नाम क्या है?
Yeah.
Ah.
Seriously, act like that. आपका नाम क्या है?
आपका नाम क्या है? आपका नाम क्या है, guys?
Wow.
Guys, write your names down in the comment section. आपका नाम क्या है? क्या है? Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Naam means name.
Nam. Because
Yeah.
even in my country,
Yeah.
the next video, guys, I'm going to be teaching her Luganda. So, guys, actually, I think it will be on her channel. I think it's better if it's on her channel, guys. Tell us down in the comment sections. Do you think me teaching her Luganda is better on her channel
Yeah,
or my
we'll
channel?
do that.
Yeah, exactly.
For sure.
So, guys, make sure you follow her. She has very nice vlogs.
I'm gonna start soon, guys, because of some XYZ reasons.
She's gonna look in, yeah?
What?
You're gonna look in very soon.
Yeah. I'm gonna start soon, guys. Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Yeah. You'll come this side.
Okay. So, guys, next word is I'm fine. Thank you.
I'm fine.
I am fine.
मैं ठीक हूँ, शुक्रिया.
Methi unshi
शुक्रिया.
shukriya.
और धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद is better.
Dhanyavad.
Yeah. मैं ठीक हूँ, धन्यवाद.
Methi hu dhanyavad.
Yeah, perfect.
You guys, hey. You guys don't play me. I can speak English. I don't know, like when I try to see it again, I
If he's
forget.
consistent, he can learn Hindi within 2-3 months.
Really?
Yeah. But you have to consistent.
Guys, do you think so?
Yeah.
So you said it is?
Comment down.
Yeah, comment down below and tell me. You said it is? One more time, like I'm fine, thank you. One more
अच्छा, मैं ठीक हूँ, धन्यवाद.
time. Methi hu
मैं ठीक हूँ.
Merci kun
धन्यवाद.
Dhanavad.
Yeah.
Merci kun Dhanavad.
Yeah.
Okay. Not bad, not
Okay.
bad.
Okay.
Guys, mind you, I won't lie to you. I'm not remembering everything, but at least I know I can understand what she asks me now this time around, because these are normal questions. Like someone asks you, like, how was your day? So remember, the challenge is to hold a 2 minutes conversation, guys. So
Okay, guys.
let's see what happens. Let's continue.
Okay.
Okay, now we are done with today, and I'm like, oh, Bhakti, thank you so much, and have an amazing day. What will I say? Have an amazing day. Have a good day.
Like have a good day.
Mm-hmm.
To say someone.
Mm-hmm.
You can say ठीक है आपका दिन अच्छा रहे.
ठीक है
ठीक है आपका दिन अच्छा रहे.
आपका दिन
अच्छा रहे.
अच्छा है.
Yeah.
This is easy. ठीक है आपका दिन कच्चा है.
Kacha, not kacha.
Kacha.
Bro,
Eat.
I'm telling you, Indian audience gonna laugh like anything. They're gonna enjoy.
Guys, don't laugh at me. I'm
Kacha
learning.
means raw.
Kacha means raw.
Yeah, you should say acha.
Eat
Yeah.
है.
आप ठीक है.
Eat है.
ठीक ठीक.
ठीक है. You die, guys. Dying of laughter. But I'm learning. Eat है.
Eat नहीं. ठीक है आपका दिन अच्छा रहे.
Oh, ठीक है. ठीक है.
हाँ हाँ.
Oh, ठीक है, right?
ठीक
Okay.
है.
ठीक है आपका दिन
अच्छा रहे.
अच्छा रहे.
Yeah.
Oh my god. ठीक है आपका दिन अच्छा रहे. Is that right?
चाचा नहीं अच्छा रहे.
अच्छा, okay. ठीक है आपका दिन अच्छा है. अच्छा रहे.
Yeah.
अच्छा है.
Yeah.
Oh my
You're
god, guys.
almost.
You guys, Hindi is nice, guys. I won't lie. Hindi is so nice. Like, the problem is
Next
that...
word is something.
Yeah, guys, yeah. Actually, this one, she has to teach it to me because I want to tell it to her. So, how do you say I love you in Hindi?
So why do you want to know this word? Are you gonna propose any Indian girl or something?
Guys, subscribe if you want to know what I will do with this one. Anyways,
Okay.
how do you say it?
I love you guys. The next word is you.
Why is she scared? Like,
No,
just...
I'm not scared. I'm just
Curious.
thinking
Oh,
that
okay.
Kelly gonna get Indian girlfriend
No.
or what?
No, just for, just learning. Guys, I'm just
No
learning.
controversy.
I'm just learning, guys. I'm just learning.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
You can say.
Just say it.
मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ.
Why is it that long, guys? I thought it just says...
मैं
तुमसे
प्यार
प्यार
करता हूँ.
करता हूँ.
या मैं
तुमसे
प्यार
प्यार
करता हूँ. Yeah.
Oh my god, guys, this one is easy. I won't forget this one. मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you see, guys, these are the words. Those
That
quite
is
bit of
nice.
my mind. Ah, okay.
Our
next word is I miss you so much.
मुझे तुम्हारी बहुत याद आ रही है.
I thought you were going to laugh.
मुझे तुम्हारी बहुत याद आ रही है. या
Okay.
सही. मुझे तुम्हारी बहुत याद आ रही है. याद.
No, guys, no. I'm focusing on the first one.
Okay.
मैं तुमसे
हाँ. मुझे.
No, I'm talking about like the previous one.
I love you.
Yes.
मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ. Yeah.
I don't care about the next one.
Yeah.
What about this one? You are so beautiful.
You are so beautiful.
Yeah.
You wanna say it to man or a girl? Beautiful is for girl actually.
To you. I want to say it
To me?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so beautiful.
What do I say?
तुम आज बहुत सुंदर लग रही हो.
तू आज बहुत. तुम आज बहुत सुंदर
लग रही हो. Yeah.
तुम आज सुंदर बहुत. Continue, help me.
लग रही हो.
तुम आज बहुत. Guys, I'm sorry. I want to say it to her, but
Okay.
I don't know how to say it.
तुम आज बहुत सुंदर लग रही हो.
Okay, come down a little bit. तुम
आज बहुत
सुंदर
लग रही हो. Yeah.
तुम आज दूसरे बहुत लग रही हो. I said it right? I tried, right?
Almost
I
there.
Okay, तुम आज दूसरे what? Bose? Okay, तुम आज, let me look. Okay, guys, let me look it. तुम आज bonse.
What should I say?
Oh God, Indian.
Yeah, Hindi,
gonna
guys.
love
I'm not gonna lie.
this.
Hindi is nice to speak, but it's not easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So give me some time. I know even my language, but I think mine is easier. Mine is easier.
Kale.
Kali. Yeah. She knows Kali, guys. Actually, I have
Yeah.
a question for you at the end of the video. But
I
let's
know
first finish.
one word, Wagulu, upwards, right?
Yeah.
Wagulu.
Wagulu. Oh, okay, guys. She knows it. You know, actually, at the end of the
Angela
video.
told me, my friend.
Yeah,
She's
yeah.
my classmate, by the way.
Yes, sir. After the
Yeah.
end of the video, guys, I want to ask her a question. I don't know if she remembers, but I'm curious. We gave ourselves. I gave her a Luganda name and she gave me a Hindi name. I remember my Hindi name, guys. I don't know about her. But at the end of the video.
Oh, yeah.
Yes,
once.
yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next word is have a great day. How do I say? Have a great day?
Oh,
We did say it already. Have an amazing day.
we have
Oh,
we're
okay.
done this.
We're done this. Okay.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Jaldi hi milenge.
Jaldi hi
Milenge.
milenge.
Yeah.
That's so easy.
That's it.
Jaldi hi milenge.
Yeah.
Oh, so bye. Jaldi hi milenge.
Yeah.
Alright.
Goodbye ko.
Goodbye.
What will say for goodbye? Wait, we have to edit this.
Just bye. Just say bye.
Yeah,
'Cause-
usually we say bye only.
Oh,
So,
like just a normal bye. Like even us in Uganda, we just say bye. Like we make it.
Jaldi hi
look-
milenge also we can say.
Jaldi hi
When-
milenge?
Yeah, we can say like when we say send off our
Oh,
friends.
okay.
Jaldi milenge, bye bye. We say like
Okay.
this.
So it'd be like Jaldi hi milenge. See you next time.
Yeah, bye bye.
But why is it so easy? Jaldi hi milenge.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, now it's time for the
For
challenge.
goodbye, you say alvida.
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 Okay. Jaldi hi milenge. Alvida. Okay, it doesn't
not-
make sense, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
No, actually, we don't say alvida. We just say bye only. Alvida is like too formal.
Alvida is too formal.
In while speaking with their friends as well, in our native language also. So yeah.
Okay, so it's better you just choose the first one, like see you next time, and then you say bye.
Yeah. Bye. We
Okay.
just say
Bye.
Jaldi milenge. Bye bye.
Oh, jaldi hi milenge. Bye bye.
In the last video, we'll say.
Exactly.
Jaldi milenge. Bye bye.
So guys, don't go.
Yeah,
We are
yeah.
still here. So guys, before my challenge, I gave you a Luganda name. Do you remember the Luganda name?
I swear, it's been so many.
What do you mean?
days.
Spinoza? I remember the name you gave me.
I don't remember.
You didn't even remember? Okay, do you remember the name you gave me?
No.
Guys, nah, bro.
He says, I'm so sorry, Kelly.
Okay, how do you say I'm so sorry? in
India,
Hindi?
you know,
Sorry, मुझे माफ
mostly
कर दो.
people
मुझे
use
माफ
so
कर
many
दो.
English words.
मुझे what?
मुझे
मुझे
माफ
माफ
कर दो.
कर दो.
Yeah.
मुझे माफ कर दो. Okay,
Yeah.
now I want you to say that to me for forgetting.
I think so. Your name I give Karan.
Yes, you see, yeah, she got it, guys. Nice.
Yeah.
Guys,
It
you
just
remember
took
the name?
some time, but yeah,
Okay, guys,
Karan.
yeah, exactly.
You better tell me the meaning of the name Karan. I've told you.
But no, you did.
I did.
No, guys, she didn't
See,
tell me. Nah,
yeah,
nah,
yeah,
guys.
I've told
No,
you.
Guys, she didn't tell me the
It's
name,
like-
the meaning. But I remember the name. She gave me Karan, and I liked it because it matches with my
I
Kelly.
gave you even the meaning
Really?
of that. Yeah. Check the chat right now.
No.
No,
But
no,
anyways,
yeah.
guys, the name I gave her is. Okay, let me give you a hint. B.
B. I know the meaning.
Okay.
You've told me the meaning, something good.
Yes. She remembers she remembers the meaning more than the actual one.
Yeah.
Okay, so should I remind you?
Yeah. Please.
Okay, guys, I gave her Birunji.
Yeah, Birunji. Birunji means something good.
Yes.
Positive.
At least she remembers the
Yeah.
meaning. I'm happy. Okay, guys, now it's time for the.
Even I've told you the meaning, but you forgot.
Okay, kindly remind me. See, I also reminded you. Okay, how do you say? I'm sorry again.
तुम मुझे
है
माफ कर दो.
माफ कर दो.
या फिर
तुम
or
मुझे है
else-
माफ कर दो for
or else
forgetting.
or else you can shorten it.
True.
माफ कर दो.
माफ कर दो.
Yeah.
So Bhakti माफ कर दो for forgetting the name.
It's okay. I'm also sorry.
All right. So now it's time for the challenge. So you're going to just basically speak in Hindi, and I'm going to try to tell you the meaning of whatever you're speaking. Yeah, but don't please make it easy for me, guys. I'm just learning,
Okay.
alright? All right. So let's go, guys. 2 minutes
Okay, I can
conversation.
say whatever I want, right?
Yeah, whatever you want.
Yeah, not this in
But yeah, no, not this.
Yeah. Okay. ये तुम क्या खा रहे हो?
इतनी क्या चाहे हो?
ये तुम क्या खा रहे हो?
What am I eating?
Yeah.
You see, guys. Okay.
Because of my gesture.
No, but okay, yeah, because of the gesture. So I am eating Lay's. I can't say it in Hindi, but I will learn, guys.
Yeah.
Okay. Next. At least I understood, right?
I think so. You're going out.
At least I understood.
Next will be आज का मौसम कैसा है?
Today is a beautiful day.
Almost there, almost there.
Okay.
आज का दिन बहुत सही है.
Today is a lovely day.
हाँ?
Really?
Yes.
Oh, guys, let's go. That is in the chat, guys. Really?
Oh, okay.
You see, guys, I'm learning Hindi. आपका दिन है.
आज का दिन बहुत अच्छा है.
आज का दिन है. बस का है.
आज का दिन और बहुत सही है भाई.
Why you guys like all the same? Aha hai. Why is Hindi like that, guys? Anyways, next.
आज रात तुम क्या करने वाले हो? क्या प्लान्स है तुम्हारे?
What did you eat for lunch?
No. आज रात को तुम्हारे क्या प्लान्स है?
I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm sorry. What does it mean?
I think it's a bit hard.
Yeah,
I
it's
should
hard.
try a bit.
That's basic
easier.
English. Yeah. What's in?
Yeah. I said, what is your plan for night?
Oh, okay. So guys, tonight I'm planning to.
DJ Kelly.
Okay. Remember that I'm a DJ, guys. Anyways, tonight I'm planning to edit my video because I didn't post earlier. I was waiting for her because she was busy, guys, and I wanted this video to come out today. But hopefully by night time I'll be done editing it. So that's what I'll be doing in the night.
Okay. Okay. So simple word. What can I say?
You know, you're with only
Let
1
me
minute now.
think.
Anyways, okay, you know what you can do? Just use these words, but in your own way.
Okay. क्या तुम मुझे वीडियो एडिटिंग के लिए मदद कर सकते हो? It's long actually.
No,
All
no.
Indian sentences are a bit long.
But I think I know what you said. You're like,
Yeah.
what?
I'll say it again.
Okay.
क्या तुम मुझे वीडियो एडिटिंग के लिए मदद कर सकते हो?
How do I edit my videos?
No. Could you help me for editing my videos?
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So you are asking me to help you out to edit your videos?
Yeah.
Yes, definitely. Yes, why not? Guys, I want you to edit our videos.
I'm
Yeah.
not editing. I was just saying the sentence.
Okay.
Because he's a good editor also. Better than
Yeah,
me.
I try. Actually, you should go to my channel and see some of my videos. Like, yeah, I'm learning. I'm not the best, but I'm learning.
Yeah.
Okay, next, last one. I have a surprise for you also.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Again, one more surprise?
One more surprise.
Oh.
One more.
He's very prepared, guys. Literally, look at that
Thank you.
dedication.
No, guys, I want to learn. You see, guys, I want to learn. So you guys should subscribe, okay? Subscribe. I want to
I
learn.
appreciate that.
Yeah.
Good.
Next.
Next word.
Anything. Any of your choice. Any of your choice.
आज दोपहर में तुमने क्या खाया?
I know what you said.
Not this.
Isn't this?
Not this.
Really? No, did you point at it? Okay, but I think I know what she said, guys. I know she said.
आज
that-
दोपहर में तुमने क्या खाया?
Do you? How much is it, right?
No.
Do you like it?
What did you eat in the afternoon?
Really?
Yeah.
Guys, I sign out now. Anyways, at least I've learned
It
some
will
words.
take time. It's okay.
Yeah,
You'll learn.
actually, yeah. I can't learn in one day, but at least guys, I got some information, and I'm so happy. So, guys, my surprise for her is I have a Hindi word to tell her.
Okay, shall I teach you how to bargain?
Yeah. By the way,
Okay.
I need to learn to bargain in. Imagine I'm buying this from you.
Okay. 50?
Like,
This
was
is for 50? Yeah. कितने का है?
50.
कम करो भैया.
Come karubaya. Guys, I can't forget that one because it's bargaining. So, in case I want to bargain, I will just be like, come karubaya, come
Yeah,
karu.
yeah. कम
Really?
करो.
Okay.
Like lower the price.
So now let me do it. I'm buying this from you. How much?
Yeah.
Okay. What now is how much? How much is this? Say it in Hindi.
Yeah, okay. Say it.
I don't know.
Swag.
I don't know how to say it in Hindi. I just said
You
in
asked
English.
me.
In Hindi? I can't.
कितने का है से?
कितने का है?
ये है 1 करोड़.
आप karubaya. Did I do it well? आप karubaya, right?
कम करो भैया.
Come karubaya. Yes, sir. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching the video.
Bargaining is very like entertaining thing.
Yeah, it's that come karubaya. I won't forget that one. So, guys,
You already forgot.
guys, first of all, follow Baxi. She's a very nice person. She's active, like she's very lovely, as you guys have seen her. And before in the video, I want to tell her something in Hindi. I don't laugh at me. I'm trying my best. And I would say, tum hai, don't say.
What?
I think you know what I want to say, right?
I know.
Tum hai, don't say. Don't say? I don't know.
Tumhe
Don't say.
dunse, what is
Don't
that?
say. Guys, I've forgotten. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and subscribe to her channel too, guys.
Illegal lifestyle.
Illegal Lifestyle, guys. Please follow her. She has very nice vlogs. She's she's a good content creator. And tell me what you guys want me to do with her. I feel like she's a vibe, guys.
We'll do more videos together,
Exactly, guys. Yeah, if you want more videos with her,
suggest us what do you guys want.
Mhm.
Just give us some ideas.
Yes, sir.
Or else some dares we'll do in the campus.
Yeah, exactly, guys. We are all like we get free
It's nice
time.
combination. I'm a law student, you're a medical student.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Anyways, guys, follow her and subscribe to her channel. You want to follow Instagram too?
Yeah, same. Illegal lifestyle.
Illegal Lifestyle, guys.
777.
I don't know why she says Illegal Lifestyle. I really don't know, but
There is a logic behind it.
really, what's the logic behind it?
So basically, my YouTube channel is all about vlogs and all.
Mm-hmm.
My daily lifestyle vlogs.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. So I'm a law student, right?
Mhm.
It's opposite of that. Illegal.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, illegal
It's supposed to be
lifestyle.
illegal, but then since you're a law student, you want to make it illegal.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Law student being illegal. We are legal gangsters.
All right. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye
Peace.
bye. Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad. See you
Ha,
next time.
we'll say that one. फिर मिलेंगे. Like see you in the next video.
Uh-huh.
अगले वीडियो में मिलेंगे. Say
On a count of three, right?
you take that hand
Okay.
and say अगले वीडियो में मिलेंगे.
अगले video मिलेंगे.
हाँ, अगले वीडियो में मिलेंगे.
मिलेंगे. अगले video में मिलेंगे.
हाँ.
Okay, guys, we're saying it
Okay.
on a count of 3, 2, 1.
अगले
अगले video
video
में
में
मिलेंगे.
मिलेंगे.
Peace.